Yeah. Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Nika.go.business, and today's video we're about to be making some sugar wax for these gams, because as you know, we're all in quarantine and there's nowhere to go to get this done. So while I'm in the shower, we're gonna be making this wax, so let's get right to it. So what you're gonna need is a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So now we're just gonna put all those ingredients in a pot. Stir it up before you turn the fire on, just to get the ingredients incorporated, and then you're gonna turn the fire on and continue to stir as the sugar melts. So you want to make sure that you have a tall enough saucepan, because as you can see in that clip, the bubbles rise fairly high, and then you just want to keep stirring occasionally. And because I don't have a thermometer, I'm going to show you guys a rule of thumb how to test when your wax is done. So you're going to get a cold cup of water and pour some of the wax inside, and if it goes straight to the bottom of the cup, and then you can grab it and mold it like so, then it is ready. So let's check. Oh shoot, and we're ready. Now that the sugar wax is done, I'm just going to pour it on a sheet of parchment paper and let it cool. And then once it's all cooled and ready, we are ready to get to waxing. So here we go. We take a piece of wax and we just start kneading it and folding it like so. So we get it nice and soft and pliable and ready to start waxing. And it's gonna even start to change color a little. It'll be more caramely and creamy, if you will. You're gonna see in a minute. First things first, you're gonna hold the area nice and tight, and then you're gonna apply the wax opposite of your hair growth. So as you can see, my hair is growing downwards, so I'm gonna be pulling the wax in an upward motion, and I'm just gonna keep smoothing it over as much as I can, and then I'm gonna just give it a nice pull. Voila. I'm gonna do it a couple times, and I'm gonna show you the hair and the wax so you can see that it's working really well, by the way, really well. And look at that, it is really catching the hair. So I'm gonna show you guys another angle. Please excuse my strawberry legs. I am on a quest to getting rid of them or reducing them. So whatever I find that ends up working for me, I will definitely be sharing with you guys. But there you have it, folks. My legs are not the pinnacle of sexy, but they are hairless. The wax indeed worked. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful to you. Feel free to use some aloe on your legs if they're feeling a little irritated like mine were. But until next time, stay poppin'. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe.